Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to get Zeus Network on your Firestick in 2025. If you're looking for fresh, original shows and exclusive content, Zeus Network is definitely one to check out. But since it's not always available directly through your usual app store on Firestick, I'll walk you through the simplest way to get the app and running. The first thing you want to do is make sure your Firestick settings allow apps from unknown source. To do that, head over settings, then select My Fire TV and go to developer option. There, turn on apps from unknown sources. This step is essential because Zeus Network's app might not be in the official Amazon App Store yet. Next, you will need to site loading app to install Zeus Network AppK file. Downloader is a popular choice, and it's free on the Amazon App Store. Open Downloader, and in the URL field, enter the direct link to the latest Zeus AppK network. You can usually find the link on the Zeus Network official site or trusted third-party sources. After entering the URL, hit download and wait for the AppK file to save. Once downloaded, the app will prompt you to install. Just follow the on-screen instruction and soon enough, you will see Zeus Network on your Fire Stick. After installation, open the app, sign in with your app subscription details, and you're ready to start streaming all of your favorite shows. Keep in mind, if you don't already have a subscription to Zeus Network, you'll want to sign up or their website before using the app. Also, remember to turn off apps from unknown sources after installing for extra security. That's it. A quick and easy way to enjoy Zeus Network on your Fire Stick this year. And thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.